continuing on with elimination. For the last two, we did subtracting to use elimination. We used addition to complete elimination. This one's going to combine both, but we're going to solve for the variables separately. So we're going to start, we're going to look at the coefficients of x. So we've got these right here. If I take this equation, equation 1, and I multiply it by 3, so everything in equation 1 is going to be multiplied by 3. Then I'll have the same coefficient in front of my x's. So equation 1 times 3 is going to produce, well, I'll go, getting ahead of myself, times 3 will give me equation 3. So we're going to call that equation 3 because this is equation 2. So 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times that, times that, times that, plus 27y equals 15. So everything in equation 1 was multiplied by 3. Now I'm going to just bring down equation 2. It's still 9x minus 6y equals -7. Now I want to cancel out the x's. Now that I have the same coefficient, I have a 9 and a 9, I can cancel out the x's. So we're going to take equation 3 and we're going to subtract from it equation 2. 9 subtract 9 is 0x. 27 subtract a -6, so I'm going to add. So I get 33y equals 15 subtract a -7 means plus, I get 22. Now, divide both sides by 33. Y equals 22 over 33, which simplifies y equals 2/3. I'm not a huge fan of fractions, so I have my y value, but I still need to find my x. I don't want to take y equals 2/3 and sub it in there and do all that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. What's going to happen is that's going to give me an 18 in front of my y and an 18 in front of my y down here. So I get 6x plus 18y equals 10. And then I get 3 times out 27x minus 18y equals -21. So this would be equation 4, and this is equation 5. So I have the same coefficients, opposite signs. So that means I need to add to cancel. 18 plus a -18 will make 0. So I take equation 4, and I add equation 5. So 6 plus 27 gives me 33x plus 0y equals -11. So that's gone. I have 33x equals -11. Divide by 33. X is going to equal -11 over 33, which then simplifies to -1/3. Your solution, -1/3 and 2/3. So what we did there, we solved separately. We did that independently. We solved for x using elimination. We solved for y using elimination. The process works. It's actually sometimes easier to do this, especially when you end up with a fraction for an answer. We could verify your solution by subbing it into either one of the equations, first two, and see if it works. And that's another way of using elimination.